It is the 30th of November, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay. This is Lauren Salter, based in Gabriel Island, British Columbia. And the past week, the only thing I did was to get a response from Joe, but haven't arranged a time yet. Time zone issues. And the coming week, one thing. Oh yeah, I did post something about the availability of Raspberry Pis. And in Crosstalk, I want to talk about whether I should order some. And so maybe in the coming week I could get some ordered for when I get home. Blocks are that I'm traveling. And back to you. I lost the audio. I'm not getting any audio.
Sorry, I was muted. I forgot to unmute. This is Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, apparently last week, I forgot to post my stand-up, so this week is going to be a post for both weeks. I picked up a new project. My wife bought some vents for our floor, where the forced air comes out of the furnace. And I have to cut a insert from the flooring to fit into it so that it matches. And I'm going to try take the opportunity to do it on a CNC machine, but I started the project and I'm having trouble. Phone mount. Getting my phone mounted on a tripod. I broke the tripod broke the mount a couple weeks ago. I've done it. I've printed the thing out 3 times, and it's just a little bit too small right now. I don't know how I keep messing it up. My pump runtime monitor, another version. It is not in production yet, but it's been tested up to version 0.5. And it reconnects after it disconnects from the Wi-Fi network is the big thing, and it prints out a message every 24 hours whether or not the pump actually starts up. For next week, I am looking to progress the knitting machine a little bit. My Polaris project, I really haven't started, but the garage is cleared out enough that I can actually put the Polaris into the garage to work on it. And I need to get the pump runtime monitor posted, and I'm going to be working on the floor grading or the vent inserts as well. Blocks are the honeydew list as usual, but enabler is that my part-time job is not very busy, so I have more time available, although I do have less cash available. Anyway, back to you.
I'll go with 5 for me, 8 for the team, and following up with the website as the process improvement or just a backlog thing. And back to you.
Okay, I haven't totaled things up. Give me a second. 2, 4, 5, 6. So I was targeting to do 10 points. I got 6 done, so that gives me 6 out of 10. 1 for showing up is 7. So I'll give myself a 7 out of 10. I'll go with 7 for the team. And yeah, trying to get the WIKISPEED website up to functional, I guess, is a good. It's not really a process improvement, but it's kind of like a backlog item that we should both work on. I have heard some interesting podcast discussion about getting ChatGPT to give you a functioning website, especially if you're using some of the automated tools already. Apparently, it templates very well, so it might not be as after we get into the website, it might not be as hard to get something functional. At least that's the hope. Okay, that pretty much wraps up our stand-up. You want to record crosstalk or
No.
not? Okay, we will stop the recording.